Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and preparing for the examination also, because our portion is over and we are going to do the revision, and this is your revision sheet. And my dear, we are putting much effort to make this video, so wherever you find the problems, you go through the videos again and again, and you will get all the solutions. Okay, now see, this is Taj Mahal, and where it is located? It is located in Uttar Pradesh. My dear, first pay attention here, because there are some questions related to this only. So first I am trying to explain you about this. Where is this Taj Mahal located? City is Agra, okay, and state is Uttar Pradesh, and beside Yamuna river. Now I will show you and who built it? Shah Jahan, all of you know, and it is built out of white marble stone. Now I am going to the next picture and see Gateway of India. And Gateway of India is located in Mumbai, and Mumbai is in Maharashtra state. See here, picture of Gateway of India. This one side is land and other side is the ocean. And this is the starting point for the tourist. Now India Gate. And where is India Gate located, my dear? India Gate is located in New Delhi. And why India Gate was this monument is built, you know, all of you, because in the memory of our 80,000 Indian soldiers who lost their life in First World War and Bangladesh Liberation War, which was held in 1971, Bangladesh Liberation War. Before this, before 1947, Pakistan, Bangladesh, both was the part of India. But when we got freedom, the British divided our country into two parts. One was Pakistan and one was Hindustan. And Bangladesh was also the part of Pakistan. Where Muslim people were more in numbers, that was Pakistan, and where Hindu people were more in numbers, that was Hindustan. And this monument was built in the memory of the soldiers. And how many soldiers? You know, 80,000 Indian soldiers who lost their life in First World War and Bangladesh Liberation War. Now this is the picture of Golden Temple, my dear. Wait. And where is Golden Temple situated? It is in Amritsar. City is Amritsar and state is Punjab. Amritsar is the capital city of Punjab, and it is colored with golden. That's why it is known as Golden Temple. And one more name is given to it, and that name is Harmandir Sahib. Now this is Hawa Mahal. As by the name you all can identify that Hawa Mahal means the palace of breeze. This is made by the two words Hawa and Mahal. Hawa means air or wind, breeze, anything you can say, and Mahal means palace. So it is also called Palace of Breeze. And where it is situated? In Jaipur. And which state? Rajasthan. Jaipur, this is made up of red and pink sandstone. And my dear, another name of Jaipur is Pink City also. Why, you know? Because when you will enter in Jaipur, you will see almost all the buildings are of pink color. That's why it was known as Pink City. Now see, whose picture is this? And this is the picture of our famous player. Wait. And this is the picture of Mary Kom. And Mary Kom is my dear, on her name one film is also made, and the name of that film was also Mary Kom, and the lead role Priyanka Chopra played. And this is the picture of PV Sindhu. And she is a badminton player. This is the picture of Geeta Phogat. And you know about her, she is a wrestler, and she has 4 sisters, my dear, and all the sisters are wrestler. Her father was wanting that he should have baby boy, but he got baby girl, and he made all the 4 daughters wrestler. And this is the picture of Deepika Kumari. And she is gold medalist in archery. And from which state? Jharkhand. Jharkhand was also the part of Bihar earlier. And she is hockey player, my dear, Rani Rampal. Now see, she is a squash player. Deepika. And she is gymnast. And she is Deepa Karmakar. And says gymnast. Now see, here are the match the following. Okay, right now we have seen all the pictures of the player, and here is, and Mithali Raj, to which game she is associated with? Cricket. So you will write here 1. Wait. Mary Kom. Mary Kom, all of you know, boxing. So before boxing you will write 2. PV Sindhu, I have already badminton. Geeta Phogat, she is wrestler. Deepa Karmakar, she is gymnast. Rani Rampal is hockey player. Deepika Kumari is archery. And Deepika Palikal is squash. Okay. So you will match this. Thank you, my dear, for watching this videos. And first was to write where are they located. So the name of the place and even state is given, where are those monuments located, and second was match the following. And now what you will do, you will write in very good handwriting HW and date. And my dear, write deep. Okay, if you will write deep, no, it will be clear to check. Otherwise we are facing lots of problem in the correction, online correction. Okay, so try to write deep. Thank you. Have a nice day.